Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to buy cryptocurrency in the Groww app. So we are in the Groww blog race basically right here, but to buy bitcoins using the Groww app in their native country, they don't actually advertise that they can do it because they are only for your stockbrokers and you can buy directly from them. But it says here you can buy from CoinDesk, ZebPay, or Coinbase, and these are cryptocurrency exchanges that you can use to buy. So these are digital exchanges that allow investors to purchase Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So there's also going to be your um, KYC, which you need because it's illegal apparently if you don't have a KYC process that's thoroughly made, and you will have to purchase cryptocurrency from these exchanges like I have mentioned. So I don't know if Binance is legal there. So do your own research in your country when doing so. But the Grow app, basically you can't just buy directly because they are only a stockbroker firm. So if you're gonna buy cryptocurrency, I suggest like this, you use your actual CoinDesk, ZenPay, or Coinbase to buy and not Grow.